beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. Hope you are doing well. If you are new to this channel, please do hit that red subscribe button down there if you like this channel, of course, and turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified anytime I post a video. You can come and check it out. I get another channel apart from this one, news also, but a bit different because I do more of German topic for people who like to enter Germany and the ones with the Germany. And again, if you get any question or anything you want make I see, because people they send me some videos that what they want me to talk about. So if you get anything to send me or you want me to, that is, if you get any question, follow me on my Instagram, because now that side now they attend to people well, not before Facebook that much. So back to the issue. No, nah, do like so now they see my hair because I just hold on yesterday night and I don't want to lose and come the cover. I know they for hair while at this morning, so I just make a rock like that. Yes, the video when I do last time about Donald Trump no want Nigerians. I get comment on that video say na old news. Yes, that particular video when it be like say I use to make that video na actually old news. That time if I never do channel, I never open channel that time. My channel never reach 1 year, and that one are the first things the way Donald Trump actually do. Now other countries, yes, I know so no be only Nigeria at that time, but when I dey talk about this particular one, which day I be 2 days ago, and they tell me now say I'm not sure if other countries then join. Now only Nigeria be this one now. But I know about that last time, or even students, even other places for Africa, he affected them, not only Nigeria. I know about that one that time, but when I dey get comment from my comment box, if say me now, so not me do that video, say I dey pass through that my comment box, it go dey make me dey get double mind. Maybe una comment now go dey make me dey feel say okay, maybe this thing is really not going on like that, you know, that kind of thing. That's why I decided to do this video, to clear the air. The video when I used for the last time na old video, but not the topic. Not be wetin I talk be old something. Wetin I talk now about last month. This na the second time. Whether na because I know say second time, na make una no understand. This na the second time wey Donald Trump dey seize visa to America for Nigerians. This one na new issue wey come down now. Now so they don't block way to get visa to come America, and our Nigerians more be this one. I know year of another place when it be like say this particular thing affect. This one also now but be like last month something now at the talk. So me una not twist time. Me una not confuse yourself with the one way happened the last time way affect other people. Maybe because of the old video. Based on I don't check Donald Trump page, I don't check Buhari page, I don't check many of their pages to see new development, that is new news concerning the thing. I never really get my hand don't touch and then I go use new news. And because I not get last time, I made me use the old one when it be like say just readily they available for Instagram. So yes, but the thing when I they talk, if I talk una know whether not true. Instead of you to come say na old news, then thereby confusing other people. Like for instance, now most Nigerians no dey for Nigeria, they no dey for US, then they no go really know that much, but they actually know say they want visa to travel to US. They no go really know that much wetin they go on for that side. Now make news like this day for. Now if they can't read through comment box, it can't be like say people wait dey for US, they say na old news. It go make them call the feel so okay, maybe na old news, I can go now. And you going there now with oh na old news, I can go now. You feel on they miss some kind of difficulties where you no plan. So not be say when I talk this thing now, so I try to discourage somebody, but they say make you arrange yourself well before you go make the move. That is if you go even see that visa in the first place. So the news when I actually talk not be old news, now really new something wetin dey go on now. And when I dey check through Instagram for the weekend, I say make I find out where wetin even be the issue, because Donald Trump not dey explain, maybe not dey explain to anybody because he no owe anybody any explanation. The US so na e own to keep and to cater. And when I dey watch through Instagram, they see people with good comment on how Donald Trump they manage the US now, the taxes and everything. People will not get work before, they don't they work. Employment don't come there for many people. That is, people they give good comment on how Intel they manage the US. Why we know they get that kind of good comment for how Buhari they manage our side? Donald Trump no hold anybody any explanation. If he say this particular people we not want to not hear, he no hold anybody any explanation. We suppose understand say this man no be our problem. Somebody said they say wish Buhari, now Buhari be Nigerian problem. Like for this time, una still get that kind of mindset say this problem no be Buhari own. Why it be like say una want enter inside that seat, una go promise heaven and earth and promise heaven and earth, and una go come now, things go come worse past before. Now so they was they come till you can't reach now when it be like say Yahoo thing at the order of the day. Like people, the way they say they let go by their numbers for Nigeria, be like say na normal thing now. That is some kind of thing where they happen for Nigeria. Just be like say may God then don't come down safe. Beg me broje, that is broje. Jesus himself, make it come down. Like Mona come scatter the planet, do renovation, like more start again. You get, but now this Nigerian part, that is African part. No say Nigeria, African part, but Nigeria was these days. Everybody they fear to call Nigeria. In fact, some people say prefer to go Ghana instead of to enter Nigeria. Now so it be the time where they grow. Why you go say no be our president? Therefore, now my fault. Now your fault. If now your fault, drop comment down below for me. Say, now my fault, not be Buhari fault. So you don't enter that seat. So all this is supposed to be your responsibility. People they give good testimony for Trump. Say since when they enter, things all day better. People will not get work done the day, things they better. That is working. I don't know the testimony wanna get for Buhari like that. Buhari enter. Everything change. This Boko Haram thing no even come down. Then Fulani herdsmen don't come there up again. That is things the Christian, the way they say they let go by their numbers. That is things change, but change for the bad since we Buhari don't enter. And people, human beings, most of una no go feed una family 3 square meals. Like may we talk and the way it be. Most of una where they put Buhari now make things they even worse. Una be Christian. If he come say ayadi, he go touch una face. That is this one when you be like say all this Fulani they bring. If he come say he dey everywhere, they legalize everywhere. Christian, una most of una na Christian. He go first touch una first. Feeding when it be like say things they expensive. Most of una no get money. Now una the heat go fair blow. When Buhari won't come, that I bribe everybody. The ones the way they give salt, the ones the way they give onions. That is now wait till una go eat that minute. Now make una vote for Buhari. Una know they see what actually they happen. Eating not the better. Instead it they was this now clear things. Everybody don't they run out of Nigeria. Even now only Nigerian people now go fit stay for Nigeria as per now. Foreigners before you go here Nigeria, hey, nobody want enter Nigeria again. No things they dey that bad. You get person when he be like say contact me, I no go call a name. Na Nigeria na Igbo guy, but when they talk, you be like say they follow white person. They talk for Instagram voice message. You be like say na white person they follow they talk. If they watch my videos because of my pidgin English, because if they help and they know some kind things for pidgin English, that person make statement say he can be anywhere on this earth other than Nigeria. Nigerian person. No. That is Nigerian person, though they born out for Nigeria, but they don't carry and be like they carry when they 3 years, and now in the 30-something years, he don't come up for Nigeria over 30 years, and he no get plans of returning back. He said when him himself they say you want to go visit him. Mama say if you want to go visit, make it take escort. Like this na the mindset where people get in this one. So I dey talk of Nigerian parents when you be like say they don't live outside Nigeria for the past 30 years. I dey talk of Nigerian parents getting this mindset say if una want visit, una need to take escort. They begin guide una self. Now if una they think like that, what if foreigners go they think? Which reason self they go get to even go Nigeria? What is the Nigeria now? Whenever even they Ghana or they or that smaller place, giant of Africa now they know. This giant of Africa, so you don't let go, don't turn to even the chicken of Africa self. No, you don't let go petere. Waiting there for Nigeria now when you be like say normal foreigners, you want to invest for Nigeria. Waiting there for Nigeria now, so where you want go investing, when no there for other places now for Nigeria. That is other neighboring countries then, African countries then. Waiting there for Nigeria, when no they there. Now answer me this question down below. Waiting go motivate people now to come they find they enter Nigeria, as per Nigeria we don't be like this. If you see the matter now self, you know good make broche even come do renovation. Because how they want even to start now to they rectify this fault, then come they put people mind at rest, say not be so it be, because some kind of people the way they say they even they think I just be like say bang bang bang, if you don't in Nigeria bang, like in their film, the way in their film they say their film trick they long. It's just like say if you don't reach there, but you don't disappear. That is the way people say they think. I wonder. You go need escort now to come they follow you for Nigeria. Not be so you actually be. But there now, so I don't know whether that's my own mindset now, because sometimes what day your mind feel they control, what they happen for inside your head. It is very, very possible. And they carry my children, they go school this morning. When they carry them, they go school normally. And they feel say most people don't already know me for this area. They know they too they look you, they no send you, you go just the waka. But today one, I feel so say today one they actually different. Like it is very, very different. I feel very, very terrible. You just be like say make I run the begin run the commerce, but I need to finish what I commerce I can't do before I go feel run enter house. But even people where they drive now, so they look me. I can't they console myself with maybe it go possible say YouTube they suggest my video to some people. So since the day within this our vicinity, it possible say they feel they see me once. Now I made that they look me say I will attend know this person. Now so I take console myself like when people start to they look me this morning somehow. Now so I take console myself, you get. But I can't pass another road. You come like simple people where they drive, they inside their motor, they look me. The thing I can't they uncomfortable. I they climb here, they come motor the way they come from down, so that they look me. Me, I don't know whether my mindset, as I talked before, sometimes your mindset go they control what they happen inside your head. But me, I can't the one that say, what all these people don't hear for news, because not be say me I find one can't find this money where one person self go can't even that is who know me. But today look on extra like say maybe last night something don't happen for news, because all this you born so that they very, very careful. They love their life, yeah. So he gets some kind of thing where like say if he play now say Nigerian they do this do that, it go possible say they see some kind of people when they be like say look like Nigeria, they will begin look you, because one Nigeria do something now Nigeria any that is you do something you be Nigeria now less, so everybody all the that is now all the Nigeria now so you both people they now so their mindset they work. How come they say what did happen for news this time? Well, these people can't they look me this kind look. Make it not be like saying or something when it be like say our children safe go come the year and for school, because sometimes all these white people they go even they discuss with their wives talk about Nigeria. Children go the year may not be like saying now what even our children go they suffer. Apart from this one, when it be like say US now, so they stop. That is they banned Nigerians from coming in. Make it not be like saying what Germany go call they do, because most people go here and even people will never get documents here, because this Germany normally before document, bring your document. That is bring your Nigerian passport, Nigerian passport. Even Berlin self don't fool. Like Berlin when it be like say most times self people they from Italy they can't do passport for Germany. So don't cake everybody passport, bring your passport. The time when it be like say I come Europe new, when I come Italy, when they want give me document they no ask for passport. Now then give me their own passport. I not bring Nigerian passport, they can't put visa. Now their own passport now they give me. But these days before you go get document you must go fish out your Nigerian passport. Anything will go make you get Nigerian passport, come then they will put the visa. Now so that they do now this one when Trump don't they do this thing, so make Angela be her name, the German president, the woman be like Angela Merkel, something like that. Make she self now so no can change now, can begin change for Nigerians here, because it possible say every Nigerian wey dey for Europe fit smell this thing wey dey come. And most people say the reason why Trump dey do this thing na because say the thing wey don dey come for Nigeria now, so na wetin no go good. And Trump now, as wise man when he don dey wash him hand comot. No be say Trump now na a Christian, that is Bible abiding Christian person when he be like say all the rules wey dey for Bible they follow am. But nevertheless, Trump na Christian, and the man so go like to wash him hand of this killing of Christian where they sup everywhere for Nigeria, where Buhari no dey do anything about. If you know what she are now, so even the Muslim and the rest where they from Nigeria they enter now, so make young people now, so make they know they feel say na Christian, because say we they do one for Nigeria, we go fit do one for anywhere. This not the reason why it they block road. This one I wait here here. It not me say I they tell you say this thing when I they tell you so na 100% na so. No, I know they tell you say na so 100%. But this now what I hear say na the reason why Trump now so they try to block him, because if you no block him, if they comfortably they do one for Nigeria, then any Nigerian person will be Muslim, will cross come. If they get that Muslim mindset, they go fit come they do one for uptown anywhere where they go. That's the reason why they block her now. Make Nigerians go sort their self out. Make una no carry that una mess for that side, can't smell everywhere. This is not the reason why they pull. And if not this reason, now make Trump they pull, why other places they no go fit pull? Why Angela, that is why the German president no fit pull? Why the one where they Switzerland no go fit pull? Why the one where they for Italy no go fit pull? That is why all of them no go fit pull, if this not the reason why Trump they pull. This thing so where they happen, so it's possible say even we feel say we don't berekete for uptime, nothing they happen, that's not my business, I'm British, because most women they sabi they do all those kind of weird attitude. I'm British, I'm not in Nigeria, I'm British. It's possible say everybody go smell this thing when they come out. That is, it's very very possible say people when you black say even don't they here don't settle where they uptown here we go fit here if they mean us for everywhere. You can't be like say now so all the Nigerians, the person when you black say no do anything, the one way hand no day inside. Everybody in Nigeria when you black say that they want put their head inside the whole thing. It go happen to this person now all Nigeria. This person go cause now all Nigeria. Everybody go they suffer something when you black say a few people create, because no plan B, nowhere they no separate nowhere from nowhere. Everybody in Nigeria no big rich to be shared into 4 parts. It not big rich. Which one be this kind of greediness when you be like say no una so the fund dey with una, the fund dey some kind place. Una no dey share heart. People know they get work. The thing no dey is not getting any better. Instead it's getting worse. People they want run come up for Nigeria daily. Even una self where they run come up for Nigeria. What they pursue now come up for Nigeria? Nigeria no good. Now pursue me come here. It no good. That's why me self I see they say may they give us plan B, which is Biafra. What be your reason why you run come up for Nigeria? Because you know say Nigeria no good. That make you run come out. And you still don't even want Biafra, you don't want plan B. You want make other people dey inside that place where you know say no good for you, you can't run come on. That one are waiting. Now selfishness have been a wickedness. Because if they talk about Biafra, most people when you black say they uptown, they don't settle you. Now because of one thing or the other, now make you run come on for that side. When you black say you know fit stay, the place no good for you, now make you run come out. And if they talk of plan B, you know they still they sign now. You know still want the plan B. You still want me everybody still there for inside that hole, that hell hole where they call Nigeria for that place. Now so they work. Even though say you succeed, don't come up for you. What about your people where they there? Because me, I get them for there. I get family there a lot. When you black say I don't want me all this phone and eating. When you black say they want sign go everywhere. So because they be Christian, and you know go feel say now. So maybe person wake up, maybe get on to Muslim because you know what I know. They be Christian, me be Christian. I know go even fit on to Asia. Hey, they think turn to Asia because me I don't want Lego. Can't they do Allah Akuba because I don't want Lego? Mpano. No, because this is one happen. So Igbos they no go agree, and when they use this thing, so they do want to let me no turn to fight the way it bring last time. Then they take them for granted. Like then they take am for granted because they feel say maybe they weak because they no wan fight for this Biafra thing. They still dey negotiate the thing. It not mean say that they weak, because if you want sign this Fulani thing, make it come dey everywhere now. So their cows then go eat people farm produce. Una that is if una want they do any of the way una like na the thing now. So there be human beings. Igbo people, there be human beings. People will say no, be human beings. It go make them now want come retaliate. And if they retaliate, now the thing go want come bring another thing. Trump na smart man to me. Call I need to want me. I feel say smart. Maybe he go down the see say this thing no go end up well. And him himself want quickly clean himself, come out now. Protect your own people, your own self. And the people before Nigerians they blast. Now what thing they try to want do now so this particular issue when I talk about this thing, when I talk about Trump not allowing people, this na the real news, not be saying na old news, na real news. They happen. If people no protest for this thing and make Buhari step down and make better man, if possible young person rule Nigeria, whether I go feel remove Nigeria come up for this thing when he be like say they enter like say na hole na they dig. All people be like say na Buhari self na be their head. So if Buhari na their head, Buhari na their brother, everything, how the thing go take stop? How it go take stop? If now you they bring this thing like say person where hold your key, they help you they find the key. You sure say you go even see am. So yes, I'll wrap up my video. Drop your comment down below what you think. If you think say they talk anyhow, and drop your comment down below. Follow me for my Instagram if you get any question to ask me. Follow me for my Instagram, drop message. Definitely I will reply you as soon as I see them. I'll see you in my next video, or you will see me in my next video. For now, I'm out. Bye.